So, hi, I'm here at the Forest Trails, Hala Park. You can see all around it, it's all naturey, just like the name, Wondrous Nature. Okay, that's not the name of the place, but it's the name of my YouTube channel. My dad and I and my mom are gonna go biking. This is not my bike, this is my mom. Continuing on the bike, and we haven't seen any animals yet, but we're in Wondrous Nature. There you can see, there's some elands. There are a few, I can only see two, there might be more. Can you see them? Oh, can you see the branches moving? Just look really hard and you might be able to see the eland. Oh, there you can just see its mouth, Really hard though. That's an eland and they have big bodies. If only we could see them better.
What can you tell us about eland, Akhil?
I don't really know much about eland, but they're not solitary animals. They live in herds like many animals.
And they're the biggest antelopes, aren't they?
Yeah, they're the biggest antelope and they weigh about 1,000 kg, which is quite impressive. But then... Hi, continue following me! Whoa, you see these? They're called air roots. They're basically roots that drop down from the tree. When they hit the ground, like some of the plants that you can see around, they create roots and it makes another tree. In my grandma's house, we have these and they're actually now they're solid enough that you can actually climb them. When they start off being these tiny little strands that can be broken so easily, can turn into a whole tree like that. It's really impressive. Don't you think? Can you see them? Can you see the monkeys? They're called vervet monkeys. Can you see the baby just in front of the mama? Just sitting there drinking milk. They're really cute. See? Hugging up, running off. Oops. Hi. Can you see the baby just clinging onto her tummy? That's what they do when the baby's actually grabbing fur so it doesn't slide off. These guys see people all the time, so they're not scared of us. They'll just walk right past us. Look how close this is. And it even has a baby. Mothers are even more protective when they have babies. Like a lot of animals. Come. I just got one and just dropped in the lake, but now it's gone. It just swam off. It just dropped from a branch into the water. This is a really cool place. Look around. It's so dense in with wood. It's really cool. Can you see anything out on the lake? Anything?
No.
No. Check something just at the edge, just at the top layer of the water. Can you just peer in? Is there anything? There's nothing. Oh, I just saw a fish. It's gone. Can you see that black bird? It's really hard to see through the camera, but it's called a cormorant. They are one of the only birds who doesn't have oil in their feathers, so that it doesn't take them a long time for their feathers to dry after going in the water. They're really cool birds. I think that's it for today. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down are bad. Thumbs up are really good. Not this, but this. Bye.